We ask, who is it that we should recommend to not to do mayim achronim? This is la halacha, not lemaise, only in the lomdis. But there is a Gemara in Shabbos Kuf Ches Amud Beis. The Gemara says one who has eye disease, he has some kind of problem with his eyes, he should go to Yam HaMelach and he should take some of the salt and put it in his eyes and he will heal. This is very strange. It comes out that this Melach Sedomis, this Sodom salt, is good for one's eyes. So why did Chachamim obligate us to do mayim achronim? For the reason that it can make one blind. We see that Melach Sedomis is fantastic. It heals a person who has eye problems. The Meiri answers in two ways. Either he says, the salt can actually make one blind. But the water from there, even though it's salty water, that can heal one's eyes. Or, says the Meiri in his second answer, Melach Sedomis heals one who has an eye problem. But if a person who's healthy will put in his eyes, that can be dangerous. Just like many other medicines. The body works in synergy, and some things are good for one thing in the body, but they're not so good for the other. If a healthy person takes strong medicine, it can endanger his life. But a sick person must take it. And therefore, one who is sick should go to Yam HaMelach. He should put it, as the Gemara says, and he will be healed. Which is not the case with a healthy individual. That is the second answer of the Meiri. Based on this, again, la halacha and not lemaise, only belong this. It comes out from the second teretz of the Meiri that somebody who is sick should not do mayim achronim, because if Melach Sedomis will heal him, if he's going to do mayim achronim, he's going to wash off that salt, which is good for him. It comes out that he washes off his medicine. That's not a good idea. So only la halacha not lemaise comes out, and this will be the answer to our question. The person who has eye disease should not do mayim achronim, based on this second answer of the Meiri.